Hello students, welcome back to Excel Maths. So today we're going to be talking about the GAN expanding double brackets, but this time what we have extended questions. So extended questions, and this is type 4. So say for example, if we have 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 8, right? So what does this show? So we're going to be really doing the same thing as we discussed earlier. First term multiplying the entire bracket, the second term multiplying the entire bracket. So we have 2x that multiplies with the bracket that has 2x minus 8. Then we have minus 3 that multiplies with the bracket 2x minus 8. Okay, hope that makes sense. Let's expand it as a single bracket. So 2x times 2x. We did discuss it a lot of times. 2x times 2x. So 2 times 2 is 4 and x times x is x squared. So that gives us 4x squared. 2x times minus 8. So that gives us minus 16x. Now, minus 3 times 2x. So that gives us minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 2. That gives us a positive 24. Right? Just to remember this, we use our tic-tac-toe where we have positives diagonally set and rest of the spaces are negative. So what we have two negatives, like minus 3 times minus 8. When you multiply two negatives, you get a positive answer. Make sense? Okay, so one last step. We are going to be doing minus 16x minus 6x. So the same works when you have two negative numbers, you add them. So that goes, but two negatives will give you the negative answer as well, no? So 4x squared, 16 plus 6 is minus 22, x plus 24. Correct? Let's have a quick shortcut discussed, and we're going to be checking if our answer is correct. So what we have 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 8. What do? First, just multiply the terms having x. So we have 2 times 2, that is 4x squared. Perfect. Now we have to pick the middle term. For that, you are going to be multiplying these two numbers, not the variable, just the numbers. Minus 6 times 2, minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. And the extreme numbers, 2 times minus 8, that gives you minus 16. Minus 16 minus 6 gives us minus 22. Okay, now what the last step is the same as earlier. We're going to be taking the numbers from both the brackets, which is minus 3 minus 8. That gives us positive 24. Correct? We are multiplying that. Okay, so you take this number minus 22 with x and just copy down 24. And I think we have the same answer. That's correct. Perfect. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.